Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover and system board. Removal. Carefully remove the wireless module from the adhesive that secures it to the system board and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Remove the wireless module and place it in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the wireless module by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the wireless module with the key in the wireless module slot on the system board. Gently insert the wireless module into its slot on the system board. Press down on the wireless module to adhere it to the system board.